Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know I haven't uploaded in a while. A lot of things went down with this car. Long story short, replaced the engine. Haven't done anything, ever since. Well, besides the little short ram take, but that's about it. But today it's just gonna be a quick video. We're gonna be installing a rework strut bar. There we go. And yeah, so we got two 14mm bolts right here and another two over here. So we're just gonna go ahead and take these off, and yeah. All right guys, so once you get the 4 nuts off, this should just pop right in. I got this strut bar off of OfferUp, so it came off of another EG, so it's already adjusted to my car. So we're just gonna tighten down those bolts. Well, let me show you guys. Fits in just like that. The other side, there we go. So we just gotta tighten up these bolts and we should be good to go. All right guys, and that's it for this video. It's just a quick install. It makes the engine bay look a lot more cleaner. And yeah, stay tuned. I got some other videos coming up. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If this was helpful, drop a like. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.